Hi. Owning, managing, and scaling a good-looking blogging platform shouldn't be as difficult as it was 10 years ago. I mean, you should understand that by now. Maybe you want to start, maybe you have always longed to start a blogging platform and you're thinking you have to spend a lot of money, and maybe you've got to develop a lot of technical skills to do that. Well, also, that may be true 10 years ago, but not anymore, right? So you can actually get to start, scale, and manage your blogging platform by yourself without so much technical skills involved, right? So in this particular video, I've taken my time to walk you through, in practical terms, how you can get to build your own blogging platform and how you can also get to design it to taste. But before we get into the practical section of all of this, permit me to quickly walk you through the outline, what exactly I want to cover in this particular video, so that we can be on the same page, right? So I'll share my board right now, and of course you get to see the outline and you can also get to flow alongside with me. So let's get right into it. So first thing first, let's talk about choosing a niche, right? So you definitely need a niche, guys. You need to have a niche. You don't just want to jump into blogging without having a niche that you want to write content on. You don't want to just jump into anything and then later on you find it very difficult to struggle to get content ideas to put up on the blog. So you have to choose a niche. You also have to select a theme, a good looking theme. You need to check the theme for viruses so that your website does not get hacked at the end of the day. So in the course of choosing a niche, you may find out that some viruses have been inserted into the theme. So you want to take your time to scan the theme for viruses and be very sure that those viruses are out of the way, right? So you want to upload the theme also that you have scanned, you have downloaded and scanned. And of course, you want to replace the demo content on the blog and beautify the blog also. So these are all of the things that I'm going to be covering in this particular video, just so that you can get to start your blog, you can get to manage your blog, and also you can get to scale your blog without necessarily investing so much money into it. The only thing you need to invest, obviously, is to get a domain. You obviously need to invest in domain. You also need to invest in hosting, right? So you need domain. You also need hosting accounts for yourself. So let's get right into this, guys, the practical section of all of this. And trust me on this, guys, you will enjoy it.
Right, so let's get into the niche selection practicals, and of course I'll try as much as possible to be explicit in trying to help you choose your blogging niche. So what are some of the conditions you put into consideration? What are some of the factors you put into consideration to settle for a niche? First of all, you must put the money. Obviously, how much potentially are you able to make from this industry at the end of the day when your blogs become monetized, right? Money is one of the most important things, right? And of course, also apart from that, you want to factor your motivation. Do you have motivation for this particular industry? Are you able to come up with content without so much stress, right? You want to put your motivation, and of course your knowledge. A bit of knowledge is required also to scale this particular blogging platform. So apart from the motivation and money, you also want to put in relevance. I mean, the industry relevance also into consideration. You don't want to find yourself in an industry that it becomes difficult for you to get traffic to your blog. So where are the two places you can actually get to check out all of these things? So first of all, let's look into the money side of things. So we go to Google AdSense. So this is Google AdSense. So come to Google, search for Google AdSense, right? And then it brings you down here, right? Click on the first one, this first result. See how much you could earn with AdSense. So this is the money part of it. You want to choose an industry that if you do all you need to do and you do it well, you can actually make a decent amount of money at the end of the month. So let's choose category. For instance, let's choose beauty and fitness, and let's say for instance we are targeting Europe, Middle East and Africa, for instance. Now Google says if you do all you need to do and you hit 50,000 page views, monthly page views, right? Or any moment you're able to hit 50,000 page views, you can potentially earn as much as 1,800, right? So let's see for how long will this be. Say we hope you find this helpful. Keep in mind it is just an estimate. So yeah, it is just an estimate, but believe me on this estimate is very correct, and you can actually earn more than this also. I've got friends who earn more than this monthly, from different industries, obviously, the moment they hit 50,000 page views. So if you hit 50,000 page views for a typical beauty and fitness industry, and your target country is Europe, Middle East, and Africa, you can potentially earn as much as 1,800 consistently. So if you do this, if you're able to hit up to let's say 100,000, right? Let's say 100,000 page views, let's say 98,000 or thereabout, you can potentially earn as much as $3,500 consistently every month. So this is just for beauty and fitness. Let's try other industries. Let's say finance. Finance for Middle East, Europe, and Africa. You can potentially earn as much as $5,000 consistently every month. And for a 50,000 page views, you can earn as much as $2,500 consistently every month. So go ahead and do your assignment, select all of these industries here, and check out various areas, various continents, to be very sure if you are going to be making money from this industry at all. And some of the reasons you are able to make money from these industries is because of advertisers' willingness to run ads and pay Google in these particular industries. So let's say sports, travel and transportation, 1,002. In Africa is 1,009 and thereabouts. So go ahead and make your research to be very sure that you can potentially earn good and decent amount of money every month when you hit a particular figure like $5,000. Let's go ahead to the next one, which is the trend. Do we have traffic in this industry? Are people potentially searching things in this particular industry? So let's say, for instance, this is transport, or let's say travel rather. Let's use the travel industry, for instance, as a search term. So let's say we are targeting Nigeria, for example. What is the trend for travel content, travel discussions, travel ideas in Nigeria? In the past, this is past day. Let's say in the past 30 days, right? So this is travel, all categories. Yeah, this is travel. Let's say travel quickly. Yeah, this is travel here as a web search. So in the past 30 days, it has been stable. So it tells you that if you delve into travel blog, travel content in Nigeria, targeting Nigerians, you most likely will get a decent amount of traffic, because can you see it's been very consistent. People want to jackpot, people want to leave the country, people want to do all manner of things outside of Nigeria, from Nigeria, right? So it's been consistent. So let's say, for instance, you want to target worldwide. Let's say worldwide, maybe you want to do international SEO for your blog also. You could see in the past 90 days it has been very consistent. 30 days it's been very consistent, right? So the travel industry looks to me like an industry that you can get into at the moment and you do just fine. So then, to do deeper research into areas of travel that you should focus your blog on, that would be a discussion for another day. I mean, how do you get deeply into some specific areas of travel content, and then maybe niching down to a specific area of traveling, right? You can do just fine with that also, because it gives you an authority label, right, for your content. So you may do travel generally, I mean just general travel blog, but in my own case, if I was going to do all of this, I would simply niche down to some specific areas of travel. For instance, if you scroll down here and you change this from rising to top, this also from rising to top, you see some ideas here. This is travel bag, right? So if you niche down to, let's say for instance, travel accessory blog, writing about travel accessories, things that people can travel with, some items to travel to some specific countries and all of that. That is niching down to travel. So your niche is travel, but within travel, you are carving out a niche also for yourself, right? So like travel accessories, this gives me an idea that travel accessories will be good. right? So this also is talking about travel agency. Maybe starting a travel agency blog, talk about what people need to travel, the documents, how to find the best of agents and all of that. So this is also a niche under travel, right? So if you come to next here, so this is travel packages, backpack travel, travel luggages, packages, travel luggage. Simply tells you that if you niche down to travel accessories as a blog, you definitely will do well, my friend, right? So this is niching down under a niche. So that is that about how to select your niche. Do this for any industry at all that you have passion for, maybe health, maybe entertainment, autos and vehicles and all of that, and of course you do just fine. So single advice is niche down under a niche. That is just a simple advice. If you have a question about this, simply leave it for me at the comment section of this particular video content. So let's get right into selecting your theme for your blog. So you have niche down, and it is now time for you to select your theme. So there are several options for you to select your theme, right? Very important that you know that there are paid options and there are free options also. So for a starter like yourself, you may not have enough money to start buying a theme, but that is why I'm here to teach you how to get started with getting a free theme. So a platform like wplocker.com can actually help you get a free theme, right? So here on wplocker you can get to select any theme of your choice, right? And then it is completely free. Simple blogs, let's search for simple blogs. It gives us something different entirely. So this is Caterio. So I think I like this feel, this Caterio feel. And also I like it for the fact that it has Elementor builder embedded on it, right? So this is this here, Elementor. So let's tap on this Caterio, and then let's come down to this demo. Let's see what this Caterio looks like, guys. Right, this is coming up. Just click on stop, I mean skip. Click here to skip, and then it takes us to the real platform for Caterio. So ideally Caterio is $33 right here. So you can tap on live preview right here. So live preview takes you to what Caterio blog itself looks like. So this is loading up. So this is all the demo that you have for Caterio. From here, if you select this blog, you can go ahead and recustomize to your taste. So I tap on this particular Caterio here, this particular home for. So this is what your blog will look like. Isn't this beautiful, guys? This is completely beautiful. So I like this blog, I like this theme, I want to take it away, right? So let's head back here. This particular first link here, workupload.com, I'm going to highlight and copy. So once again, this particular theme is here at the bottom part of this video. You can get to download it for free, right? So I paste this particular URL here, I tap on enter. So this is opening up. Go ahead and download this. Let's close this up. So Caterio is downloading right here, as you can see. So this is downloaded already. So this is how you can go ahead to get your free theme, right? So yeah, this is downloaded already on my dashboard, right? So let's get to see where this particular theme is downloaded into. So I tap on this folder icon. This is it right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to right click on this. If your PC does not have a WinRAR, you may go ahead and try to install WinRAR. So how do you go about installing WinRAR? Let's do WinRAR right here. So this is WinRAR. Go ahead and download WinRAR and install it on your computer. So that is how you can get to see this downloaded folder showing up in a zipped file like this. So right click on this folder, extract here. So this is extracted on this download section of my PC, right? So let's move on to the next section of this video. One downside to downloading a free theme from wplocker is the fact that you are prone to virus. I mean, some hackers may have inserted some code into some of these themes. That is just a disclaimer for you to be aware of, right? Some hackers may put virus into some of these themes or plugins that you get for free on wplocker. After all, it is completely free, right? So they may explore those avenues to put in viruses into those folders or files. So that is why you want to check the file for virus. You want to scan the downloaded file for virus and be very sure that it is safe to use. So what platform do you get to do that from? So I use a platform like Virus Total. So Virus Total gives us the opportunity to check or to scan our folders and our files. So this is Virus Total. So Virus Total here, I will go ahead and choose a file, then come to downloads. This is Caterio. First of all, the downloaded version of Caterio. I'll click on this and I'll tap on open. It scans this folder for virus. I'll confirm upload. So it's scanning the folder. As soon as it is done uploading, it is going to scan the folder and let me know if there is virus in the folder or not. So this is coming up. So all of the files and all of the folders within this folder will be scanned, right? To be very sure that there are no viruses on the folder or in the files, right? All right, so Virus Total says no security vendors and no sandboxes flagged this file as malicious. Wow. Okay, so this tells us that all of the folders and files in this document are safe to use. I guess by now you must have bought your hosting and your domain name. So I'm not going to get into how to buy hosting and domain. You may need to reach out to me for that. So you have your domain and your hosting already. So let's get into uploading the theme. So ensure that you are here on your dashboard, on your WordPress dashboard, right? So come here to appearance, come to themes right here. So when you come to themes, you come to add new theme, upload theme. So choose file, right? Under the downloads, you see this particular folder here. So this is Caterio. Yeah, this was the folder we unzipped the other time. So let's double tap to open this. This is Caterio. This is Caterio child. Tap on the Caterio and open this up. So now this is here as a zip folder. Then install the Caterio. So Caterio is going to be uploaded on our dashboard, on our WordPress dashboard, and then we can get to start using it to build our blogging content, right? So let's wait for this to load up and then we can get to start using it for whatever purpose we want to use it for. All right, so Caterio theme is uploaded successfully. It says theme installed successfully. Let's go ahead now and activate this theme, right? And then yeah, this is Caterio already here staring us in the face. Let's tap on theme details. Let's come to install plugins. All of the necessary plugins that Caterio requires to function properly needs to be installed. So tap on this particular one to check all of the boxes. Come to bulk actions, tap on install, apply this. So when you apply this, it installs all of the plugins automatically, right? And then we can go ahead and do the same thing also by activating all of the plugins, right? So the themes had been installed on our WordPress website. Yeah, but we can see an error right here. So installing this failed. It says current version 7.3 does not meet the requirement for advanced custom field. The plugin requires a PHP version of 7.4. Yeah, so you may need to get back to your dashboard, I mean to your hosting dashboard, and update your theme version. So let me quickly show you how to do that also, yeah, in case you encounter something like this. So if you are using cPanel, you may need to get back to your cPanel section and then you search for PHP right here. So let's say multiple PHP manager. Let's see if we can get this right here. Yes, so this is 7.3 and that exactly was what the error told us. It says we are currently on version 7.3.33. We need to upgrade to this version or higher. So let's get to this version here. Let's tap on this man here. Let's do this one here. So let's check for 8.1. Let's apply 8.1 to our content. Yeah, let me apply this. All right, so the issue is solved obviously. So we needed to just update our PHP version. So this is how to update your PHP version for your website, right? Right, so let's get into building the website. Let's replace the demo content, or let's upload the demo content. So first of all, this is what our website currently looks like: Caterio and this hello world and all. Let's replace our demo content with this. So right here, I'll come to theme options. Let's come to the same options, appearance, import demo data. So let's tap on appearance and import demo data. Then right here, which of these do you like, guys? I'm getting confused, right? Which of these do I really like? I like all of them. I can't deceive you. I like all of these good looking themes. Yeah, so I'm settling for this particular one here, this demo content 6. So let's import this demo content right here. Yeah, so it's going to install all of this. So continue and import. So this is importing content. All right, says import complete, right? Your import completed, but some things may not have worked properly or imported properly. Okay, let's visit site. Let's see what the site looks like right now. Yeah, so this is a preloader. This preloader is coming right here up. Oh wow, this is what the blog currently looks like, and this is looking nice, guys. This is looking crazy. This is looking good. All right, so this is where the menu is at the section here. This is the search. You can toggle this button on for night and day view right here. Yeah, so this all are looking good. So we can go ahead and start working on a blog, and then let's see how the blog looks like. So first of all, we can edit this blog with Elementor. So of course, I would like you to start from the back end first. So let's get back to the back end. First in, let's get to the posts, all posts. So these are all the demo posts that had been inserted or uploaded on the website. So there are about 74 blog content on this website. All of these are the demo content. So you want to start removing or re-editing this blog content to your own blog content. So you can start by editing this here, edit this, so that you can replace this particular content here with your own particular content. So when this is up, you can change the content inside. So let's close this particular box, then begin to edit. Tap on this to start editing, change all of this content to yours. So follow the same pattern. This is where an image has come into. Change this particular image to yours. So all this content, also begin to work on them, rework them, so that they can look exactly like this particular content also when you publish yours. So we can remove all of these sections. Any section that you don't like, you can tap on it, tap on this button, and then you can delete, right, to put up your own content. When you are done, come to post, come to categories, and select the right category for your blog. So this is sports, this is travel and technology. These are not your categories, right? You can add a new category, or better still, come to the dashboard of your WordPress website, and then come to posts right here and tap on categories. So edit all of these categories to your taste, and then you see them. Let's say for instance, we do a quick edit for this beauty. Let's say this is migraine. Let's change this to, let's say, migraine headaches as a category. Let's remove this demo slug and change it back to this particular slug also. Let's update this category here, right? So this is migraine. When we refresh this, you obviously will see the category already changed amongst the list of categories, right? So categories here, this is migraine headaches, as you can see. So you can go ahead and change all of your categories and put them up right here, so that when you are done editing your content, and then you can come right here to select the right category. So this exactly is how to build your blog from the beginning to the end with a demo theme and look professional, right, without having to spend a dime building this particular blog. So this menu also can be reworked. And how do you go about reworking this menu? You can simply come back to your dashboard once again, come to appearance, come to menus right here. I guess the menu at the top is here on the main menu. Select the main menu, and then you see all of the menus at the top of the screen right here, and then you can change all of them. So I guess you don't like this one, so just remove this, remove. So all of this homepage 3, all of this homepage whatever, remove everything, right? And then you can have only the home here. So remove all of this up to 15. Remove these features, it doesn't look good. Remove these features here. So you want to put up all your post categories at the top of the menu, so that it becomes easier for people to find the particular post they want to read, right? So remove all of this. So let's update. As soon as I'm done removing all of this, update this. So to add a new menu to your blog, yeah, I guess it should be the category menus that you want to put up. Come to categories, select any of the categories that you want to put up as a menu, and then add to menu right here. When you are done with that, go ahead also again and save up. So we have saved up and we have refreshed the blog. So it shows us this particular field. So all of this has been removed. So yeah, this is not looking too good. Once again, just remove all of these guys here. So remove AMP, remove this, go ahead and remove all of this right here, so that the blog can look pretty nice, right? So yeah, remove all of this here. This post layout 3, remove. Let's remove all of this. So let's stop at this, right? And let's update once again and see. So all of these things need to go for your original categories to show up. So yeah, once again, let's come down here, right? Let's refresh the home page, and this is what the blog currently looks like at the top. So yeah, look at home, this, and all on my website. So how do you edit this section of the menu? How do you get to edit this section of the website? Simply hover your mouse on edit with Elementor, tap on header 6, this particular header here that you are using, depending on what you have selected. So tap on header 6. As in my own case, I'm using header 6. So this brings us right here, so we can get to tap on this pencil icon here, right here, and then we can change the header feel of this. So this is the logo type, right? So you can change this from SVG. I guess we don't know how to work on SVG files, so let's go ahead and change this to either image, right? You can get to upload your own image right here, or use text-based logo. Yeah, so if you don't have the time to work on all of this, you can simply get to you can use text-based logo. So let's say my brand name is healthy version, right? So yeah, this is what I currently have, healthy version as a text. So I want to change the logo typography. So let's say by default this is what it is. I will change this text to, let me use this Agbalumo right here, Agbalumo, right? So this Agbalumo is not looking too good. Let's change this here to this. Okay, so healthy version, okay, this is looking good. So healthy version is this. So we can highlight a portion of this text. Let's add a mark tag to this version. Let me add a mark tag. Maybe this can be marked up. All right, so healthy version, this is marked. So let's update this and maybe see what it looks like from the home page. So let's come right here once again to the home, and then let's get to see this. So healthy version of us, and the brand logo is healthy version. Okay, so this is not too bad. right? So I've done this, so you can go ahead and check out how you can get to do yours by yourself. So that is it basically for now, guys. So you can go ahead and check out how you can get to do this by yourself.